How to add email signatures in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your own signatures in Outlook Mail. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now overall it's fairly simple. What you need to do is you need to come over here into the hamburger settings, or actually click on view. When you click on view, you're going to have the option to view settings. Click on view settings, and once that opens up, go to accounts, or you can just simply search for signatures in the search bar, and you're going to find email signatures over here. Click on it. It's going to take you to the account, and then in signatures, where it's going to load up, and here you can go ahead and add your signatures. Now I do recommend going ahead and going over to this website, mysignature.io. Here you can easily create signatures that look something like this. They look really professional and they look really cool. So we're going to go ahead and create a signature similar to that one. So we're going to click on create signature. It's always best to go ahead and sign in or sign up if you have it. So we're going to go ahead and sign in, and here I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. So here we're going to add our name, click on next, the industry we work in. So let's say we're in e-commerce and we're a manager, and we add the website and click on next. And now I'll just say for myself, click on next. Heard it on Instagram, click on next. Select the email client. We'll select Outlook, and click on get started, and there we go. So now we are in. Now we can go ahead and create a signature by clicking on this button over here. And here we're going to go with start from scratch. We can even choose a template, but that's fine. This is like a little preview. Our name, pronouns, company, position, department, and then we have contacts where we can add custom fields. So here I'll add my name, and company, position, and department I'll go with marketing. And then over here we can add our fields like our phone number and email, whatever email we have, and we'll also add our website. And once that's done, we should be good to go. Then we can also add our own custom fields if you want. Here you can add whatever you want and link, but I think this is okay. Then you can come over here at the top, click on images, and upload your own image. You can design on Canva. This is the banner, the width, everything. Let's go ahead and upload the image. That's fine. Click on apply. There we go. We can even make it bigger a little bit like that. I think it's okay. And then over here we can upload a banner if we want, or we can design it on Canva. It totally depends on you. We can add our socials like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all of them, and add-ons if we have them, and then design them, and templates are going to be available over here. But I think this looks good. Then we can click on save signature. We can even switch between dark mode and light mode as well. So now that the signature has been added, we can install using the extension, and just simply install the extension. Click on add extension, and once it's added, I'll just simply go ahead and pin it over here. And now if we come over here, we can go ahead and log in. I'm going to log in with Google. All right, so now that it's logged in, now we can click on signatures, and we should be good to go. But we can go ahead and download them later, I believe, and it is connected. So we should be good to go. So now if I compose a new email right over here. All right, so I messed this up. So now that we have it over here, we can just simply copy it from the clipboard, right? And then go to our browser, or go ahead and open up the application, right, where we already have it. And here we can just paste the signature and click on save. We can remove this branding. There we go. It's gone. We don't even need that. So now we can just simply go ahead and click on save. And now this is our signature. And now every single email that we go ahead and compose is going to have this signature. And it's as simple as that. So there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you can set up signatures in Outlook. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.